Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your aerial kit with something powerful, reliable, and easy to use, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best drones with 4K camera stabilization, chosen for their resolution, safety features, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. We're checking out the best gear available right now. DJI Mini 5 Pro. It packs a 1-inch CMOS sensor that handles 4K 60 FPS HDR video with zero drama. This sensor size is a massive win for a drone this small, especially for low light shots where smaller chips usually fall apart. We're looking at a 249-gram body that somehow fits omnidirectional obstacle sensing and a 225-degree gimbal rotation. It handles vertical filming natively, which is perfect for your social feeds. The 04 Plus transmission gives you a stable feed up to 20 kilometers, though you'll likely never push it that far. The benefit here is pure portability without the usual Mini compromises. We've noticed it's slightly larger than the previous version, but it still skips the registration headaches in most regions. It's stable in the wind, and the Active Track 360 keeps you in the frame regardless of how you move. If you've got Mini 4 batteries, they'll work here too, which is a rare consumer-friendly move from DJI. It's a smart, high-end pick for anyone who wants pro-level footage in a frame that fits in a jacket pocket.
Potensic ATOM 2. It's got a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor that handles 4K 30 FPS HDR video and shoots massive 48-megapixel photos. While it lacks the flashy obstacle sensors of more expensive rivals, it makes up for it with raw flight performance. This thing is rock solid in wind gusts up to 20 miles an hour, which is impressive for something so light. It weighs under 249 grams, so we're again in that regulation-friendly sweet spot. The PixSync 4 provides a 10-kilometer range that stays surprisingly clear during real-world use. This is the budget-friendly king of the list. It's built for people who want a reliable camera in the air without paying the DJI tax. The AI tracking is surprisingly good at locking onto subjects, though the telemetry data in the app can be a bit tiny and hard to read in direct sunlight. You're getting a 3-battery combo that offers nearly 96 minutes of total flight time. It's a straightforward, punchy drone that focuses on the basics. If you don't mind flying without safety sensors, it's a high-value beast. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This is the flagship heavy hitter. It carries a 100-megapixel Hasselblad main camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor. It records in 6K 60 FPS HDR and features a tri-camera system that covers every focal length a professional could ever need. We're looking at a 51-minute flight time and a massive 30-kilometer transmission range. The new 0.1 Lux Nightscape obstacle sensing is a game changer for anyone doing late-night commercial work or twilight shoots. It's heavy, it's loud, and it's arguably the best image quality you can get without buying a cinema rig. The benefit here is total creative control. The 360-degree infinity gimbal allows for shots that were previously impossible without complex post-production. But be warned, this thing is a premium investment. Some users have found the gimbal to be a bit fragile, and depending on your region, getting a solid service plan can be a headache. It's built for those who make a living with their drone. If you need the absolute best sensor and the longest flight times, this is the one to buy. HOVERAir X1 PROMAX 8K. This isn't your traditional joystick drone. It's an action flying camera designed to take off right from your palm. It records 8K 30 FPS video and can hit follow speeds of 42 kilometers per hour, which is fast enough to track a cyclist or a skier down a mountain. It weighs just 192 grams and folds up like a pair of sunglasses. We're seeing a 2-axis gimbal paired with electronic stabilization that keeps things smooth, even during high-speed maneuvers. It's fully enclosed, so you don't have to worry about the props hitting anything. This is for the solo creator who doesn't want to fly a drone while they're actually doing something. It's totally hands-free. You just click a button and it follows you using visual sensors. The downside is the battery life. Expect about 10 to 16 minutes per charge, which is short compared to the others. It's a specialized tool for cycling and action sports. If you want a flying tripod that does the work for you while you focus on the ride, it's a killer choice. Antigravity A1-360 Drone. This thing is a bit weird, but in a good way. It's a 360-degree 8K drone that records everything at once. You don't have to aim the camera while you're flying. You just fly and reframe the shot later in the app. It weighs 249 grams and comes with immersive vision goggles that give you a massive 90-degree field of view. It's like being a bird. It uses point-to-fly motion controls, making it incredibly easy for beginners to pick up and start moving without any prior experience or training. The real win here is the fly first, frame later workflow. You can extract a forward, top-down, or side view from the same flight data. It's not a professional cinematography tool, but it's perfect for social media and immersive fun. Some people might find the 360 stitching software has a learning curve, and the goggles can be a bit much if you wear thick glasses. But for a stress-free, unique perspective, it's a blast. It's a premium, fun-first drone that offers something completely different from the competitors. And that wraps up the top 5 best drones with 4K camera stabilization. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. We're always looking for the best gear to help you make the right choice. Thanks for watching, we appreciate the support, and we'll see you in the next one. Fly safe and stay tuned.